Hi everyone, welcome to Danny Dev. In this video, we are going to push our code to GitHub. So you first go to GitHub. That's when you already have the account. If you don't have the account, go to github.com on your browser, then create an account on GitHub. So when you come to GitHub, you click on the plus, then you come to new repository. So let's name the new repository navbar. Then you can give it a description, maybe a navbar showing the about, home, contact, and services of an organization. Then visibility. You can choose to make it either public or private. If you make it public, anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit. That's when you make it public. When you make it private, you choose who can see and commit to this repository. So you are the only one who can see it, and you choose who again can see it. But public, everyone at all can see it and copy and paste it and use it for their own thing. But private, you choose who will see it. So let's create, I want to make it public. I want everyone to see it. Then you come to create repository. So here is it. So you open it one side. So this is the code I want to push. And the code is in this folder. The folder is called navbar. So I open a new terminal on my PowerShell terminal. Then I use git init reinitialize empty git repository. Then I do git add. I want to add everything, so I use git add dot. In case I wanted to add only the index.html, I would have done git add quotation, then I come and bring this one, the HTML here. Okay, that's the only thing I'm adding. Git add this repository index.html. But because I want to add both index.html and index.css, or everything which will be found inside this folder, I undo this. And use git add dot, because I'm adding everything. I'm pushing everything to GitHub. Then when I'm done with that, git commit. So this, you are describing your commit, and here it is first commit. You can choose to change it from first commit to any other thing. So you copy it, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, you paste it, enter. So 2 files change, 53 insertions, create mode 100644 for index.css, create mode 100644 for index.html. So these are the files you are pushing. Now you copy the next one, git branch. So as for the branches, we have the main and the master. So I am using the branch main. So the default is main. So my settings is on main. Then the origin of the repository, git remote add origin https github. Then the name of the git navbar.git, enter. Then I'm at the last part. I'm coming to push it. So before you can push to GitHub, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So I'm done pushing to GitHub. Enumerating objects 4 done. Counting objects 100% done. Delta compression using up to 22 threads. So I'm done 100%. That's what you have to see. Then you refresh your page. Here is it. I have successfully pushed my code to GitHub. Hooray! If you're able to do this, thumbs up. So let's check our code on Git. So this is our code. Then index.css. This is what we did. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give it a subscribe if you liked the content. Bye.